Hi there, I welcome you all. This is the Honor 7 mobile phone available in India. This is right now the best option for economic phones. It has all the features like there's fingerprint option is there, face recognition is there. It is has good resolution and everything. Today I'm here to show you a very good option which I received by the latest upgrade called navigation dock. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, I have three navigation options. This is a classic format. In the center I have the home button. If I click, it will go to the home, as you know. This is a back button, and this little square opens the multi-screen window. From this I can switch to any open applications, close one of these, or click this and close all the applications. So in the latest update, what I'm trying to show you is instead of these three buttons, you can use a single button that is called navigation dock. uh, so to enable that, first what we have to do is we have to go to the settings option, and the better option is search. In the latest upgrade, this is a nice thing where you can search any settings here, like in the Windows operating system. So I'm going for navigation dock. You can see there are navigation bar and navigation dock. Open navigation dock. Here we have the settings for navigation bar. All these options you can have, and this is the navigation dock. I will enable this. Now you can see I've got this little button which is draggable. So it is telling to just touch this and it will go back, like this is left arrow shortcut. Release after touch and hold. So you just press it for few seconds and remove your finger. It will go to the home screen. That's the second option. And the third option is hold and slide either on the left or the right side will open the multi-screen window. That is a shortcut for your little square. And the good thing is that you can reposition its reposition this anywhere on the screen. If you are using the phone from the left hand or from the right hand, you can place it anywhere you like. So when you enable this, do you want the old navigation buttons still to appear? I don't want that option, so I will hide the navigation bar. Now you can see it has been hidden. Now when it is hidden, you can see a small arrow on the left side is coming here at this place. So I'll show what is that in a moment. Now, so I'll go to the home screen, hold it for a few seconds, and it will go to the home screen. Open multi windows option, click and drag, and you can have these open. Again click for the home option. Now I'll go to the messaging app. I'll open some message and click this once and it will go back to the previous screen. Now suppose in some applications like in the Facebook, if you're watching any video in full screen, you may need the classic navigation buttons option. So what you can do is just drag up from the bottom of the screen and it will appear this all navigation options again. So you can use this anyhow. Okay, then click this bottom arrow, it will hide it again. So I found this feature very interesting. If you place it here, you can use the phone very easily with the right hand, or if you are using it with the left hand, you can drag or reposition this. Hope you like this video interesting, and you may like it or comment it. Thank you.